You've heard about AI video generators like Invideo AI. The promise is simple: turn an idea into a full-fledged video in minutes. But a common question is, does Invideo AI make videos from scratch, or is it just pulling from a stock library? The process starts with your prompt. You give Invideo AI an idea and its system gets to work. It's not creating new, unique footage out of thin air for every request. Instead, it's a sophisticated assembler. Think of it like this. Invideo AI has a massive, well-organized warehouse of content. When you provide a prompt, it's like an intelligent foreman that goes into this warehouse and grabs the perfect pieces, the right video clips, the most fitting background music, a realistic AI voice, and puts them together in a coherent professional sequence. So, what's it made of? Vast stock library. It pulls from millions of royalty-free stock photos and videos. AI-powered scripting. It writes a script that makes sense and then pairs it with the visuals. AI voiceovers. It adds a human-sounding voice to narrate the script. Automated editing. It handles the synchronization, subtitles, and basic transitions for you. So, does it create from scratch? Not in the traditional sense of a human director and camera crew. It generates a new video using existing building blocks. This is a crucial distinction for us as investors. The value isn't in creating novel footage, but in the speed and efficiency of the generation process. It turns an idea into a published video in minutes, not hours or days. For an AI investor, this is what's truly powerful. Invideo AI is a tool that leverages existing resources to automate a labor-intensive task. It's an efficiency machine. Understanding this helps us appreciate the true value of these platforms and how they can supercharge our content creation or business strategies. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Russell AI Investor for more insights on the tools and technologies shaping our world. See you in the next video.